Welcome to Baby Pandas Airport. It's easy to get lost. Let's go to the information desk first. Thanks! Thanks! Dear passengers, the airplane will be departing soon. Please proceed to the gate with all of your things. Hello, I'm ready to check in.
Hello, may I see your ID, please? Be sure to check your travel info. Here's your ID and boarding pass.
Thanks! Dear travelers, please remember to keep track of your belongings and report any unattended bags to authorities. Your safety is our priority. Before getting on the plane, we need to go through security. We can't bring anything dangerous. Please put your personal items in the basket. It's prohibited to take these items onto the plane. Please make sure to remove them.